Robux. It's called glitch.
Hey, shut the fuck.
Spent mine, dude.
What?
I loaded faster than you.
I will. Oh wait, I can
See
skip.
the mine. Did you
I'm
do
not
what?
dumb. Bro, how scary is that thing?
Dude, why did mine not load like that thing? It immediately loaded me.
Bro,
Kasi lang.
I see your face on the screen. Wait. Zblex. Rizzler.
Oh, let's go here.
No, downstairs. We
no.
go downstairs. Downstairs. This is downstairs, you motherfucker.
Dude, I know. Oh my god.
By the way, it is maternal rage. You stupid idiot. Come with me.
Okay, bro.
Come with me.
Oh.
Okay, maternal.
We are the one cook.
The lights are turning white now, not red now. Okay,
We are
I
not.
think it's safe. Come with me,
You think it's safe now?
cause I know it's safe. I played this game before. I played
Yes, I know.
these games.
Yes, I know, bro. Kumpare mo yun.
Zblex, you're gay. Where we go? Oh wait, no. Wait.
Na.
The best flashlight. We got
Dude,
this
I'm
way.
auto-run.
There's actually auto run in this game.
No.
But the big maternal rat. He's over there. You didn't see him?
No, Wadi.
I meant her.
Her. Why is your Wi-Fi so smooth while I'm looking this? Everything is a pixel. You let me lower my. Grab it. Dude.
Hello, gay. Z gay.
Never mind. Finally.
Let's go.
Follow. Dude.
The monster is taller than a lot of humans.
Dude, look at you running. It's literally you just doing this. They finally escaped.
I see you.
Dude,
Hey, look at me.
I look so cool, right?
Oh shit! Run back!
Hell nah.
Run back! Dude,
If you
it
hit
can
me again, I will slip in.
it can outrun you, bro.
Sorry.
I did that before, and when I tried to run, it catch me.
Oh, damn.
I see you. Hey, bro, let me show you.
What?
Go to the house, idiot. Go to the house. Zblex.
There's no monster.
Ow! My eye.
But
You can hide here by. I heard. But there's a timer, and you can hide in or back.
Oh,
You see
nigga.
her?
No nigger, I'm running straight
grab-
into the darkness.
I see her.
Oh shit, I see you too.
Come on! You're dying!
Help me!
Hide! Go back home! No! Over here! You can go over here!
God,
Go over here to the safe zone! Also,
Zazon.
you can find metal scraps outside, and you can sell them to Mr. Silo over here. Mr. Silo, but he's closed. Oh wait, he's open again. Interact with him. Buddy. Buddy,
metal
damas.
scrap, bro. 5 lang.
Oh. How can you not wait? You heard it too? Wait. Why can I only do this?
By the way,
Except for you.
one. My Wi-Fi. Dude, mobile. Chigo.
Chigo.
Chigo. Bro, shut up. I don't see it because my quality.
Because I didn't heard it.
Huh?
Run! Run with me! Come with me! Come with me!
I'm running automatically with my butt cheeks. Look behind you.
Run!
Look behind you.
Run, run! I know I can see it.
Is it chasing us?
Oh! I almost got it. Oh!
Hoy,
Oh, okay.
hindi yung wifi. Isa na lang, isa na lang.
She didn't have screen. Dude, I didn't see it. I thought you were seeing someone else. I literally thought someone was following us.
Yeah.
Nigga, up. Nigga.
Wait. When you see that all the minions will be free and they can walk and they can follow you. They might even kill you. Where's the metal scraps? Metal scraps.
Dude, I outrun. Gang, I juke the minion.
Gang, there's a blood lake. Blood lake, bro, look.
Bro, where are you,
Look
bro?
on from my screen. I'm far away.
Dude, I don't know.
There's some. I
Where
think
the
there's
hell am
something
I
in the blood
going?
lake. And I see you. Go over here. Look left.
Dude, I can't pack.
I see you.
Oh, I see.
Come with me. Let's explore the forest. There's actually a blood lake.
What if you go swimming?
Let's go both swim. Yeah.
Dude, it's shallow. What? Bro, this isn't even lake. We're walking on it.
Oh wait, we can swim.
Dude, I'm walking on it, by the way.
If you go deeper.
Dude, I'm not going deeper.
Okay, never mind. Come with me.
Wait.
Behind you, idiot.
Oh, I'm drowning.
Drowning in blood. We can find metal scraps. so many scraps. Ow! Ah! When you see that glitch, that means all
Bro,
the
let me get some scrap.
over there.
Where?
Yeah, there.
I can't see because of this dumb. Dude,
Oh my god, are you dumb? Come with me.
dude, I'm dumb because
Over
I
here.
only joined.
Over here, you see it?
I only joined, though.
Yeah, I know.
Don't blame me, bro.
Now come with me.
I'm following you because you are the only one with a flashlight.
Huh?
I wanna use my flashlight. Too lazy.
Hold on. I see someone. Over there. Hello. Hi. They saw me. And you. It's you. It's a god.
Who
Look.
is he painting?
He's invisible. Come with me.
I'm gonna go here.
Bro, come with me.
Did bro summon the demons? By the way, you can paste through the trees. Like this, bro.
I got money. Yay, I got money. Come. Where are you?
In the blood lake.
Ah. Where?
The blood lake.
I cannot find you, idiot.
In the blood lake.
I cannot see you. Right now.
Dude, I'm in a blood lake. There.
I see you. My leg.
Awesome.
I'm drowning.
Dude, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go closer.
Zblix.
What? I'm gonna go closer to your tablet so you can hear me.
Metal scrap. We can go to this house. Let's use the flashlight.
I don't wanna use my flashlight.
Flashlight so useful now. Oh my god. Everything's broken. We can explore. Today we're exploring an abandoned house.
Yeah, brother. Come with me. Is there like any...
Look.
Oh.
Over here.
Oh.
Climb.
Bro,
No, I
this
cannot
is
climb.
invisible.
You cannot go on top. They're free again. The watchers.
Waters?
Watchers. Not.
Oh, you mean watchers?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my flashlight.
I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. Hey, we made some. Bro, they got hit. What the?
Guy by a bazooka. Yeah, think about
No, they
it.
got hit by the axe.
It's you. Can you see my avatar, bro?
Yeah, I see you.
Wait! Well, never mind.
Uh-huh.
I see your avatar.
Hey, bro.
By a bazooka. Yeah, think about it every time.
You saw that? Oh, that's an axe. Trigger. Ah! Dodge. Clip.
I'm not running you.
Look, I'm on Metascribe 67. Okay. Never mind.
56.
Where are you?
In this house.
In this house. I see.
Today, guys, we are exploring a house abandoned.
Hebo.
What?
Shh. My father's gonna hear you. And he's gonna be angry. Why are you hanging with your friend?
Today, guys,
I cannot fit. Okay, they're back to being unmovable. Let's go back. There's nothing in this house except for a safe zone. Ah! Oh my god, a watcher killed you. Oh god damn it.
there was literally someone else.
What did it look like?
I don't know. I just literally saw a pair of eyes.
You kind of see some yellow? You kind of saw some yellow skin.
No, since my mobile is I couldn't even see it because I was lagging.
It was probably a yellow watcher or a purple guy.
So within the Panap guy reference.
Oh my god, I got. This is the first time having a lot of metal scraps. Yeah.
Ano yung surprise? I changed my avatar again.
Okay, seriously?
What?
Okay. I saw Sarah monster.
Yo, so supposedly I'm running away from it.
I'm running back home.
But I'm so nonchalant.
Where's the home? The home?
Of course, there's someone.
Of course, another watcher, of course.
Dude, I didn't even literally saw it.
If you look away from it, it will kill you. The watchers, yeah.
Wait, I have a great idea again.
The purple one and the yellow one.
Yo,
can kill
let's
you.
leave this game. I have a game called Weeping Angels.
No!
It's literally a game that
I wanna enjoy this game first. Do you have a lot of metal scraps? It doesn't load with how much metal scraps you will have. But honestly, let's go now.
Let's go now. Is it boring?
I don't know if it saves the metal scraps. Because it might turn your metal scraps into zero of how much hard work you can have.
Never mind, we can... The Weeping Angel!
Look at that cartoon. I saw that one. That one. No. You are a cockroach. Oh my god. I played that game before. That was Nostalgia.
Sorry, bro, sorry. Wait. We are going to find
Abyssal. Trees hate you. We're playing Trees Hate You. There's a speedrun update. This is single player, by the way.
I do not want single player.
Slug or tiger? I don't know.
We're
Pick
gonna
another
play a
one.
game.
Let me join you.
Wait, let me join you.
Yes.
I got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, think about wait.
What the nigga?
This game is so peak. I'm not lying.
God's will.
No, don't play that game. It's trash.
Shut the fuck.
No, summon game. This game is literally RNG mixed with like horror.